Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another foundation swatch and review video, and today we are doing Lakme 9to5 Primer Matte Foundation Swatches. I have done quite a few shades from Lakme 9to5 Primer Matte range. There is a complete playlist dedicated to those videos. I will link that playlist in the description box. Now this video was again a highly requested video. मैंने Lakme 9to5 Primer Matte में neutral shades करे हैं, warm shades करे हैं, but वो सारे medium skin tones के लिए थे. और मेरे पास request आ रही थी थोड़े से light shades को वॉच करने का, जो कि है वार्म क्रीम, वार्म सैंड एंड वार्म नेचुरल. तीनों ही शेड्स एक्चुअली फेयर टू लाइट मीडियम स्किन टोन्स के लिए हैं, और वार्म नेचुरल मैंने ऑलरेडी अपनी पुरानी वीडियोस में स्वॉच किया हुआ है, बट इस वीडियो में मैं इसको फिर से इंक्लूड कर रही हूँ. आई हैव द शेड्स राइट हियर. लैक्मे 9to5 में ना एक्चुअली मिनी साइज भी आता है, सो इफ यू आर एक्चुअली कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट योर शेड तो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद बाइंग लाइक अ मिनी फाउंडेशन, जिससे आप ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट भी नहीं करोगे, और अगर शेड आपको सूट नहीं भी किया तो उतना लॉस नहीं होगा. एज आई डू इन ऑल माई फाउंडेशन स्वॉच एंड रिव्यू वीडियो, सबसे पहले I will give you proper full face swatches of these three shades on my skin, and also I'll be comparing these shades against each other. So let's quickly first start with the swatches of these three shades. Starting the swatches for Lakme Powerplay Priming Foundation, which was earlier known as Primer Matte Foundation. The first shade is Warm Creme, and this is how the shade looks like. The shade is for lighter skin tone, like fair skin tone with warm undertone, and the shade will definitely look lighter on my skin because I am a medium skin tone person. And this is how the shade looks like on my face. The coverage of this foundation is very decent. I mean, considering the price, and the finish is matte finish. It has a completely matte finish, and yeah, I mean, this is the first time I'm actually doing this shade Warm Creme on my skin. I generally don't do lighter fair skin tone shades on my skin, but it was on request. So now I have switched off my artificial light, and you can see the shade how it looks in a normal room light setting. Artificial light tends to give more exaggeration to the shade, more clarity to the shade, I feel. So next up we have the shade Warm Sand. Now the shade has a slightly, I would say, pink undertone. Now shades usually which have the name sand in it, they usually have like pink undertone, but this shade in particular, Warm Sand, I feel it has both very slight hint of pink and slight warmth in it also. I'm not able to explain it, but the shade is a very good mix of that. लेकिन इसके बावजूद like the shade has turned grey on my skin, क्योंकि इसमें pink और cool undertone है. Usually the shades which are cooler tend to turn grey on my neutral skin. Warm shades warm रहते हैं, peachy हो जाते हैं, और जो cool और pink undertone shades होते हैं, they turn grey on my skin. I have a neutral undertone, so Warm Sand is definitely in person also it's looking very slightly grey on my skin because it has a pink undertone in it. At the same time it also has a touch of warmth in it, so I'm not sure how to explain this particular shade, but if you're a light skinned person with the hints of pink in your skin, you can go for this shade. Again, the artificial light is off, and you can compare both the shades Warm Sand against Warm Cream, और इसमें भी मतलब बहुत clarity आ जाती है when you compare both shades. अभी I have taken off wiped off the shade Warm Creme from my skin, और अभी you can compare Warm Sand against my natural skin tone, और अभी clearly आपको दिख जाएगा Warm Sand वाला side, मेरे face का जो side जहाँ मैंने Warm Sand लगाया है वो थोड़ा सा dull लग रहा है as compared to my natural skin, क्योंकि वो grey हो गया है, तो बहुत डल कर देता है, ग्रे लगता है स्किन पे, और पिंक भी लग रहा है. इफ़ यू विल सी, वो थोड़ा सा पिंक का भी उसमें हिंट आ रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम वो थोड़ा सा ग्रे भी लगेगा मेरी स्किन के ऊपर, क्योंकि अंडरटोन मिसमैच है. व्हेन देयर इज एन अंडरटोन मिसमैच, द शेड्स टेंड टू लुक बैड ऑन ऑन योर स्किन. अगेन स्विचिंग ऑफ माई आर्टिफिशियल लाइट so that you can see the shades in two different light settings and see how the lighting also makes a difference to the shade. So I just want to show you in both the light settings so that you can make your decision and you can see the shade clearly. Next up I have the shade Warm Natural, and this particular shade I have done in the past as well. Now this shade Warm Natural is for light medium skin tone with slightly warm undertone. Now the shade is not very yellow, It's not too warm, so if you have too much yellow in your skin, the shade might not look good on you. This is for people who have light medium skin tone, lighter than mine, because warm natural is also light for my skin. If you have lighter medium skin tone with slight warm undertone, go for warm natural. If you have light skin tone with hints of pink in your skin, and just hints of pink in your skin, you're not too cool or too pink, then the shade will not match you, because warm sand में थोड़ा सा slight pink undertone है, जैसे warm natural में slight yellow undertone है, just like that. तो अभी again the artificial light is off. दोनों में ही undertones उतनी overpowering नहीं है. warm sand में slight pink undertone है और warm natural में slight yellow undertone है. So अभी I'm wiping off the shade warm sand from my skin. So you can compare warm natural against my natural skin tone. और अभी warm natural भी मेरी skin के लिए light है. It's a lighter shade for me and slightly yellow for my skin because I have a neutral undertone. But warm natural उतना बुरा नहीं लगता मेरी skin पे because it's not too yellow, it's not too warm, so that's why it doesn't look that bad on my skin. Warm natural was actually the first shade that I bought in this foundation. Again, I have switched off my artificial light and you can compare both the shades. You can compare warm natural against my natural skin tone and see the difference. My shade in this foundation is warm wood. So now you can compare warm creme and warm natural also, because we missed out on it. So I've started doing that. The first and the third shade, you can compare them against each other. Warm creme बहुत ही fair skin के लिए है और warm natural एक light medium skin के लिए है. Warm creme और warm natural दोनों का ही undertone slightly warm है. So you can now compare both the shades together. और अभी तीनों शेड्स मेरे हैंड्स पे स्वॉच्ड हैं. वार्म क्रेम, वार्म सैंड, वार्म नेचुरल. इनको लगाए हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया है, तो ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं होती ये फाउंडेशन. जैसा शेड है वैसा ही रहता है. And you can clearly see the difference in the undertones. These were the swatches for the shades warm creme, warm sand and warm natural. I really hope you were able to make out the shades and their undertones. फाउंडेशन उतनी एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. अगर आप बजट में एक अच्छी मैट फिनिश फाउंडेशन देख रहे हो जिसका कवरेज भी काफी डिसेंट हो, तो आई थिंक Lakme 9to5 foundation is actually your go-to foundation for that. That is it for today's video. I really hope you found today's video useful and you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, then please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back with another foundation swatch and review video on my channel super soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.